Welcome to MindMill. There is no limit to learning. Today our topic name is SEO. Okay. Let's start our lesson.
What is SEO?
SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the practice of improving a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. It involves various techniques, such as keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical optimization, to increase organic traffic to a website.
How many types of SEO?
There are generally two types of SEO. One is on-page SEO. Another one is off-page SEO.
What is on-page SEO?
On-page SEO refers to the optimization of individual web pages to improve their visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. On-page SEO involves optimizing various elements on a web page to make it more search engine friendly and relevant to user search queries. Here we see some of the key elements of on-page SEO. Keyword research, content optimization, title tags and meta descriptions, header tags, URL structure, internal linking, image optimization. Keyword research, conducting keyword research to identify the most relevant and valuable keywords for your business and target audience. Content optimization, creating high-quality, relevant, and valuable content that includes the target keywords and provides value to the user. Title tags and meta descriptions, writing compelling title tags and meta descriptions that accurately describe the content of the page and include the target keywords. Header tags, using header tags, H1, H2, H3, etc. to structure your content and make it easier for search engines to understand. URL structure, creating simple, descriptive, and readable URLs that include the target keywords. Internal linking, linking to other relevant pages on your website to improve navigation and user experience, and help search engines understand the structure of your website. Image optimization, optimizing images with alt tags, descriptive file names, and appropriate file sizes to improve page speed and user experience. By optimizing these on-page elements, you can improve the relevance and visibility of your web pages in search engine results pages, attract more organic traffic, and improve your overall search engine rankings.
Thank you so much for your information.
You are most welcome. If you want to learn more, subscribe our channel and get update.